Real estate can build wealth faster than almost any other asset, but one wrong move could cost you years of progress. Here are 5 costly mistakes new real estate investors keep making in 2025 and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, buying based on emotions. Too many beginners buy a property because they love the kitchen or feel good vibes. But real estate investing is about numbers, not feelings. Always run the math, cash-on-cash return, cap rate, and break-even points. Pro tip, if the numbers don't work, walk away, no matter how nice it looks. Mistake number 2, underestimating repairs and maintenance. New investors often ignore hidden costs, leaking pipes, outdated wiring, foundation cracks. Those small surprises, they add up fast. Always budget 10 to 15% of your rental income for repairs. Better to be prepared than blindsided. Mistake number 3, not screening tenants properly. Filling a vacancy quickly isn't worth the long-term headache of a bad tenant. Late rent, property damage, or even evictions can kill your cash flow. Use background checks, income verification, and rental history. Be strict. Mistake number 4, over-leveraging with debt. Borrowing is powerful until it isn't. If you max out your financing and the market shifts or rates spike, you're exposed. Don't just ask, "Can I get the loan?" Ask, "Can I survive worst-case scenarios?" Mistake number 5, trying to do everything themselves. From plumbing to accounting to tenant calls, trying to do it all is the fast lane to burnout. Real investors build systems. Hire help, use property managers, leverage automation tools, buy back your time. Avoiding these 5 mistakes could save you thousands and years of stress. Want to keep learning how to build wealth through real estate the smart way? Comment below with a mistake you've made or seen. Subscribe for more passive empire strategies every week.